Tonight going to be a very beautiful night because apparently there's not meant to be any clouds in the sky, as you can see, and the sun's out, absolutely blaring, and we're going to do a solar camp again. This forest was recently, I think, attacked by a tornado, I've heard, so there's a lot of wood everywhere. I've got wood in the car just in case. It's going to be a beautiful day today. Second, or a millisecond for you, it's going to be a tent there. So the tent set up. Just over there. And it's gone dark. It's going darker, obviously. Got loads of wood. It's very quiet here. It's so quiet, so peaceful. I'm gonna really love this night tonight. I'm just gonna show you what sort of food I've got. Let's do it. We have got a potato, some bacon. Got some bacon, we've got some maple syrup, asparagus, obviously. Got some Polish white sausages, big fat juicy steak. And we've got some of these. Now there's a combination here, you've got this, and this. And I'll show you what it's going to be, if it works out, obviously. I wouldn't know. Oh yeah, we've got some bread as well. And for cooking, I've bought this, it's a mobile kitchen, I believe it's Fire Maple, and it cost about 25 quid on the sale from Amazon, and it's quite neat really. You've got everything you need. The best spot, I was looking for one of these, and I could not find any. This attaches like that, and then just like that. It makes it so convenient. Usually I pay for a little convenience because it makes my life easier. Now that is a sharp. So this is the wood we've got. It's birch wood. It's going to light up pretty well. Very nice. Oh wow, this wood's really dry. Got some nice kindling. There we go. This is birch wood, so you see this here. That's gonna light like really good. You can see me. Perfect. Right. I just love chopping wood. Every axe murderer said that. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bark. Look at that. I'll show you how it lights up later. No idea what that noise is. Got bloody mosquitoes in the guy. There's clouds rolling in, which is not ideal. Not ideal at all. It's like someone blowing up trees or something. No idea. Absolutely no Scooby-Doo. Yeah, that noise, I don't know if you can hear it. You probably can. But that's been going on forever. Since I got here, really. About half an hour after I got here, it just started going boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. What is that noise? That's just so loud. Anyways, look at this. Whew, look at that. Wow. It's like a big monster. Put it back in four. What the fuck? What is that noise? If you guys know what that noise is, let me know. But look. Oh my god, let me do this for you guys. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's getting louder. It's getting louder, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of this. Oh, the stars are coming out. We are going to get the fire starter out. It's getting quite dark, isn't it? So fire then. See that? This is a proper little fire starter, and I love it because it's nice and simple to start a fire. Nice, it smells lovely as well. Oh, it smells bloody lovely. There we go. That's how you start a fire quickly. We're going to be cooking and eating very well tonight, guys. Oh. Whew. That should be Alright. Ooh, it's hot. It's very hot. This place is nice public, well, not as private. There is eventually, people driving across the mountainsides here. And they've got a nice view of me recording myself. Doing all I like to do. Nosy little bastards, aren't they? They're just jealous. They're just jealous because they ain't got the balls. Fire's lovely. The fire is beautiful. Clouds have come in, unfortunately. Hopefully it doesn't magically snow or rain. It'd be nice, but I'm enjoying this at the moment. Don't want to go in here. Oh my God. Right, let's do some cooking. There's the beautiful bacon. So we're going to cut through this nicely. There we go. Won't need a lot. Could do with a few actually, to be fair. Yeah, that pan that I had on my previous episode, kept it at home. It was obviously too big of a pan. Right there. Even got some charcoal in there. That's tasty. Yummy. Put some maple syrup in there. Only a little bit, don't need too much. Got some of these little breads, kind of squashed. I know what I forgot there. I forgot salt and pepper. A little bit longer. Looks alright there. Here we go. Beautiful. So this is a Polish sausage. It's a bit smoky. That's a Polish sausage. The next round will be with the sausage. Drop a bit of maple syrup in there. No. Right, got the sausage on the go. I think it's cooked. We'll find out. But look at the bacon. It just looks absolutely delicious. It's going to be a hot chocolate next. So I've got the water on the go. It's cooking very well. It's nearly there. Got some wonderful hot chocolate. And we got that there. It's my wooden cup. Gorgeous. I've got a little guitar, spoon from the house. Gonna put some hot chocolate in here. Bits in there, but I don't mind. Oh. Beautiful. Oh yeah, buddy. If you ever want to do camping, I would recommend just do it. Just do it by yourself. You know, you'd have to arrange any plans with your mates, and obviously I had two mates, but they were meant to come today, and with mates or myself, whichever one it is. Always just go for it. Obviously now the weather's perfect. Fire's blazing. You know, we had food. The only disadvantage about going in by yourself is obviously you have to bring a camera so you can talk to someone. If you ever feel scared of going by yourself, just do it. I'm here, a lunatic talking to a camera. I don't care. Could be somebody else watching me, but you know, I don't care what they think. A lot of people get upset with other people judging them, and I never really understood that. Like, why do you have to care? Why do you care if somebody talks absolute bollocks about you? It just makes no sense. Beautiful. Wow. Now that is a fire. Got some good old Hennessy in there, some brandy. Just want to give a shout out to two wonderful people. Tommy, I want to give you a shout out, mate. You're an absolute. You're just an absolute G, bro. And Brenny, love you, bro. One of my schoolmates. So is Brenny really, but Brenny left in I think year 7. I never really got to meet him because he moved to Wales. But Tommy, yeah, we've been good mates for years now. He's the person that actually took me out to this camp that we used to have, and he pretty much introduced me to the sort of wild camping. First trip we had was kind of like a wild camp on a ledge on a hill, not far from here. And yeah, ever since that day, I absolutely love camping. Right, it's a very good time to go to sleep right now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with some hot chocolate in the morning and some bacon, some sausage and some steak. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, just make sure to subscribe, like the video, and give a comment. Oh, I'm hoping it's beautiful out there. Feels like it's raining. It's freezing. It's so cold. Morning. Let's try that again. Oh. Morning. British weather, right? The fire's going already. It's so bloody cold. Yeah, last night was rough, man. It was like that tree there, that tree was squeaking. He just wanted to go down, but he's still up. He'll go down eventually. I mean, look at it. It was windy last night. He was waking me up constantly. The fire's already going. I don't know who started it. But like, whoever it was is a nice person. Oh, wow, my hair feels terrible. I could literally deal with a bath right now. We need more wood because we sort of bent the last bit last night. We've only got 2 little logs left. Half a log. Right, I'm gonna start doing this. Fire up. So yeah, I'll let you guys enjoy the view of a time lapse of the clouds here. Hopefully it looks nice. Alright. Ciao. I was going to bring my fishing rod in. You know, I finished work and I thought, fuck it. I've already got all the stuff that I need packed up. I don't want to drive all the way back home. We're gonna look for some wood. The fire's sort of going. I'm gonna clean all this up, don't worry. Alright. Just gonna slap this little log on there. Let that cook. Well, we're gonna go and find some wood. This place is absolutely beautiful. Man, this place is wonderful. Oh God, I hate standing under the big trees. Look. Oh. I'm surprised these didn't fall when that storm came over. I'll show you later. We've got some wood over there. Right, I think we should just grab this big piece here and take it down. Right, I'm gonna have to sort of left-hand it. Oh. I did hear some strange noises last night, but we are in the woods and obviously there is wildlife, so that doesn't really bother me. I mean, there could have been fish at night. So there is a lot of fish here, apparently. I've never caught a fish the amount of times I've come here. There's all places all around here that you can go to. The fire's still going, that's good. This branch I've got here, I think it's been lying there since the storm. Oh yeah, this is some beautifully dead wood. Thank you very much, nature. Some good wood, that. It's not too wet. Snap these pieces off. I'm just gonna let this cook, and then we're gonna go home. We're gonna go around the place first and see what sort of damage the storm has caused, and yeah, go from there. Right, it's time to leave this place, and we're heading back to the car. Let's go. Well, I used to go camping and they can't even get through it. This was all standing. That's absolutely mental. It's probably still a way through there, but fucking hell. The whole forest is literally just destroyed. Wow. That's crazy.